Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 7 English Medium, Unit 7. In this unit, there is a poem. The poem name is Dad and the Cat and the Tree. That is a poem. I have already explained, telling you the story as stanza wise explanation. Now comes to the MCQ. See the first MCQ. The family found a cat. What? Family found a cat that was hurt in their house, that was stuck in the tree, or that was hungry. So the family found the cat was stuck in the tree. Okay. Now comes to the second. Dad said that things would be put right by. Right by whom? Right by the dad. Means him. Okay. Not family, not wife, not cat, but things would be put right. He did all the things correct. Means by him. And synonym of the stuck. Stuck means trapped. Stuck means trapped. Okay. Then next MCQ. The father was sure of his. The father was sure of his what? Option A, good climbing skills, victory, defeat, power. The father knew that of his skill. Okay, means good climbing skills, not victory, but good climbing skill. He was very sure. Now comes to the second. The father brought the ladder from. Ladder from where? The garden, the shed, the kitchen, the room. So the father brought the ladder from the shed. B is the correct. The climbing attempt was. One time he tried to climb on tree, but that was a failure. So option A is the correct answer. Then comes to next here. Dad instructs the members of the family to what? To go inside the house, stand out of the way, sit on the bench, and throw a rope. So dad instruct the family members to what? Here, stand out of the way. Nobody interfere in this way. Okay, so stand out of my way. That is the correct answer. That was the instruction given by the dad to the family member. Then next, second, mother advises dad. What did the mother give advice to dad? See, to jump properly, to be sensible, not to fall again, not to climb. Mother advises dad what? Not to fall again. Not jump properly, but not to fall again. Once he fall down, then not to fall again. That was the advice given by mother. Dad was like who? King's Bruce spider who tried again and again. A weeping donkey, a fish out of water, a child who fell repeatedly. So dad was like what? King's Bruce spider who tried again and again. Once he fall, he tried one more time. Second time he fall, he tried one more time. Okay, that's why option A is the correct answer. Then here, landed wallop means land on the wall, land on the top, fell heavily, and safe landing. So landed wallop means what? Means he fall down, but how? Heavily. So option C is the correct. Fell heavily and injured. Okay. He landed on the tree, floor, flower bed, and sea. Second time where he fall down on the floor. Mom again advised him to rest, not to try climbing again, to go inside, to call the cat. So the mom again, not first, again advised him not to try climbing again. Then next here, dad again climbed to reach what? Dad again climbed to reach the branch, the cat, the tree, the leaves. Dad again climbed to reach who? Who had stuck there? The cat. So dad again climbed to reach the cat. Second, mom was afraid that he would again what? Again fall. Once he falls, second time fall. So mom was very little afraid. Number third, dad climbed up blank on the garden wall. High, low, straight, clumsily. So the climb up on the garden, but where? High, wall high. So A is the correct answer. Okay, now here the cat yelled as the jump hit her badly, was hard, broke her and frightened her. So when the dad jumped from the wall, high wall, the cat was frightened her, means the father was frightened the cat. Okay, and the cat was yelled and the jump from the tree. Okay, second, the cat landed. Where landed? Safe and sound, clumsily, to frightened, to rush home. When the father jumped high from the wall, the cat was frightened, and the cat landed safe and sound. Number third, the cat was pleased as what? Dad, Punch, anyone else, and ever. So the cat was pleased as Punch, not Dad. Pleased as Punch. Here, then next, Dad thought that he was what? Infallible, an expert climber, superhuman, or none of the above. The dad thought that he was very experienced person to climb it on. So an expert climber is the correct answer. Now comes to the second. The phrase "a climber like me" expresses. Dad here given the phrase "a climber like me" expresses what? What shows that this phrase? His pride, his self-confidence, his belief, his willpower. So this phrase "a climber like me" shows that he is very confident man. So second is the correct answer, his self-confidence. Okay, now comes to number third. In third, Dad was planning to what? Bring the tree down, cut the branch, bring the cat down. Both A and second means bring the tree down and cut the branch. So the dad was planning to what? To bring the cat safely down. Okay, so third is the correct answer, bring the cat down. Now the fourth, the poem is what? A mockery on Dad, a humorous poem, a failure on the folly of Dad, a popular with the kids. So the poem is a humorous poem. Okay, trying to help means bring the cat down, but first second time he fall down from while trying to reach the cat on a tree. So it's humor, showing the humor. So it's a humorous poem. Now number fifth, the problem with the cat was that it got stuck in the tree, that it was sleeping in the tree, that it never wished to come down. Both first and second means that it got stuck in the tree, that it was sleeping in the tree. So the problem with the cat was stuck in the tree. Okay, so the first is the correct answer. That was the problem. Now comes to number 6. Dad told everyone that, means the family member. Okay, what the dad told? He would not solve the problem. He would solve the problem alone. He cannot solve the problem, and none of the above. So dad told the family member not to involve in this matter. I have solved this myself. So second is the correct answer. He would solve the problem alone. Number 7. The poem is educative, serious, sad, humorous. So here the fourth is the humorous poem. So in this 7 the poem is humorous. Number 8. Mom's reaction were natural, right, wrong, funny. It's natural reaction given by the mom when the father dad fall down. Okay, now comes to number 9. The ultimate winner was dad, mom, cat, the child. Ultimate winner was whom? The cat had stuck on the tree. When the father tried to reach on the top of that tree, try to help, means bring the cat down. At that time the cat richly, means jumped from that tree and reached safely at bottom. So the ultimate winner was who? The cat. Okay, now comes to number 10. The tree was, how was the tree? The tree was tall, yes, tall, unsteady, short, dangerous. The tree was tall, but it was unsteady. Whenever something what happened, the tree was fallen down. So that was unsteady. Okay, the tree was unsteady. So students, these are the MCQs of unit 7. I hope you understand about this unit 7's poem. Write this MCQ in your notebook. Thank you.